sales module. And the first and foremost feature in the sales module is quotation management. So SAP Business One helps medical devices and equipment companies to basically generate the quote right from your SAP B1 application. If quotations are basically done in an Excel sheet and there is very less control, then it can be made right out of SAP Business One. The formats can be customized if you are following a certain set of format for quote, or if you have multiple formats for multiple customers for quotations, then all of those can be maintained. Now you can also have the quote sent through an email right from SAP B1 application, as SAP B1 comes with out-of-the-box integration solutions for any kind of mailing services. As we talk right now about sales quotation, what you can see behind me is a sample quotation done out of SAP Business One. The next feature is sales quote. Once you have sent out the sales quotation to the customer, there might be several revisions that the sales quote undergoes. So you have the revision order management. And once you have the finalized sales quote, the customer basically issues you a PO. You can get that PO and have a sales order confirmation done in SAP Business One, which is called a sales order in SAP Business One. And the best part of it is customer POs can be attached in a sales order. So there is something called as DMS, or document management system, in SAP Business One, wherein you can attach any kind of customer documents to a respective sales order or to a respective order. Now that you have finished the sales quote and sale order, the next thing is if you have a stock, you basically go ahead and deliver it. Now there's an excellent functionality called gross profit analysis. Now what is this is, before you have an invoice printed out for an order from SAP Business One, you can run a report and you can ask SAP Business One whether the invoice is profitable or not. Business One has a capability to give you line-wise profitability. Now, what do I mean by this? So the gross profit functionality basically helps you to look at the invoice before you print them and tell you which are the line items which are profitable and which are the line items which are not. If profitable, what is the profitability? And if not profitable, then basically shows in red and what is the loss that you make. Now, this is an incredible functionality which basically empowers any medical devices and equipment trading organization looking at a P&L statement at an end of the period, which is at the end of the year or quarter or month, to looking at a profitability at every invoice level. If you get the profitability right at every invoice level, then obviously your year-end profitability or P&L statement will be absolutely fine. We always encourage our customer to basically check this report before you print the invoice. And if there is a compromise on profitability, the system basically has facility guide you to tell where things went wrong. Now, isn't that a very powerful functionality? Not only that, SAP Business One has an approval mechanism. So the approvals are either available in your laptop or your desktop within the SAP environment, or it can even come to your mobile phones, whether you're using an iOS or Android phone. Every transaction has a maker and checker, and the approval mechanism is of two types. You can either have a workflow-based approval, which is person A creates it, it goes to person B for approval, and it further goes to person C for super approval, and so on. You have 11 levels of approval. Or a value-based approval, wherein you can always set a limit saying that if it is less than X value, then person A gets to approve it. From X to Y, person B approves it, and so on. Now that was approval for you in SAP Business One. The functions that I just spoke about are very key functions in sales. There are other functionalities also, like delivery management, outgoing inspection management, or pre-dispatch inspection, outbound logistics, customer return, and so on, which is not so frequently used but still available in an SAP Business One sales module.